Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do your very own channel point redemptions, such as Googly Eyes, Hammerbox, and many others. Now, this guide is assuming you've already set up your item scenes and kind of just have a general idea of what you're going to be wanting for your channel points. Okay, so first thing what you're going to want to do is head to your search engine. I personally use Opera GX, but you're going to use whatever you use. You're going to go to the search tab and you're going to search up Mix It Up. And you're going to want to hit this first little icon. Looks like this. And you can either download it right here, or you can just scroll down till you reach about here. And you're going to download the installer. This is what your screen should look like after you're loaded up. As you can see my bots that I have here, as well as me. If you don't have anything, you should just see yourself at the side here. But you're not worried about this. You're just going to go to the top left, hit the three little lines, go to Twitch channel points, and your screen should be blank. As you can see, I have all my commands here, but you're just going to hit create new channel point reward. And for the test, I'm just going to say it's going to be called Beep Boop. So you're going to see that it was created successfully. You're going to go to Beep Boop here. You're going to hit this edit button. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff here. But if you're a VTuber like me, you're just going to go to VTube Studio. You're going to hit the plus button. You're going to want to hit run hotkey. You're going to select the model. And then you should see all of your hotkey points. As you can see, I have my angry, happy, sad, head pat, hammer hit. So for this example, we're just going to choose hammer hit or whatever you have created. You're just going to hit save. And then once you hit play here, you should see the channel point go off just like that. So if you see that, you've done this right. If not, your item scenes may be messed up. And I have added fade away on my stuff just so it doesn't stay. But there you go. There's how to do that one. Now, some of you probably don't want that redeem like the hammer hat I showed you in the last video. Well, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit more advanced stuff like this. So, if you're wanting to know how to do that, let me show you real fast. So, if we take a look at the example I showed you beforehand, we can see that I have a little picture going on there, as you can tell. So first off, you're just going to want to go to your browser source again, and you're just going to find an image or GIF, whatever you want to use. So let's just look up GIFs. Usually like to use this one here, Jiffy.com. Do this one here. You're just going to save it. Save it as whatever. I'm going to save it as test. And then we're going to head over to Mix It Up. Okay, so you have your image, video, GIF, whatever you downloaded. You're going to go back to Mix It Up, and you're going to hit the three lines again if you're lost. Go to Twitch channel points, and we're just going to create a new channel point. I'm going to name it Welcome like the GIF. Hit OK. As you see, it was created successfully. Now I just got to find the welcome. You're going to hit this button right here to edit the command. And you're going to want to type in overlay. So then hit the plus button. Right now it thinks you're trying to add text. So just hit text. And I'm going to choose image, or you can choose video if you decided to download that instead. Hit browse. Choose the thing you downloaded. Now it's going to ask you for a width, height, and duration. Duration's kind of just up to you. For this test, I'm just going to make it 4 seconds. I recommend you do 500 by 500, just so you can see it. And we're going to hit this play button, and it should pop up on my screen right now. Wait. Editor Raven here. So I messed up, you guys. I forgot to show you how to add your web source so you can actually see all of your stuff. At least for people that's not a, VTuber with item scenes. So let me show you how to do that real fast. Okay, first things first, you're going to go into the Mix It Up app. Hit the 3 little lines, go to Services, and then scroll down. You'll see Overlay. You're going to click that and copy that browser source. Next, you're going to go to Streamlabs, whatever you use. I personally use Streamlabs. You're going to hit Sources, the plus button next to that. Hit Web Source, hit Add Source, add a new source. Hit the settings icon, or the gear, sorry. And you're just going to copy that URL that you got from the Mix It Up app into the URL you see here. And then after that, your redeems should work. I'm so sorry. Now back to the video. I'm going to hit test command. And if it pops up on the screen just like that, you're all set. The image, we need to add the text that I used or some audio. So obviously, you're just going to go back to this little action button down here. You're going to hit sound and just hit this plus button. Now, of course, you're going to need to find some sort of sound you want. I'll put up a little image now showing where I get mine. And it's all free for you to use there as well. So just hit browse. I'm going to use a pass sound. So let's see. We'll do the countdown. Now you will have an audio level. It will be really loud depending on certain sounds that you use. I recommend you just bump it down a good bit. And then you will make it the Mix Up overlay. That way you can edit your volume in whatever stream manager you're using. So now when we hit play, as you tell, we can now hear the sound. Okay, so we have the image and the sound. Now I'm just going to show you the last step of the example that I used. You're just going to scroll all the way up to chat message, hit the plus button like the past, and we're going to send it as a streamer, or I believe you can use other references, although I'm not too sure. And we will just type whatever you'd like to. I'll type, hello everyone. Okay, so that's all set. We're going to hit the save button here. You have it all set up now. Let's give it a test. We're going to back out, save, and just test the command. We can see in my example text box I have here, it'll type, welcome everyone. Alright everyone, and that's it. I've taught you basically everything I know about channel points. Of course, you can do more advanced options and Mix It Up, but for now, I'm just keeping it pretty basic. I can do a more advanced video later on. Just let me know if you'd like to see it down below. And if you made it this far into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Good luck on your journeys, everybody.